You wouldn't believe how many sellers accidentally sabotage their own open houses just by picking the wrong weekend. Let me tell you, I learned this the hard way with a client last year. They insisted on hosting their open house over a long weekend in July, said it'd be convenient. Guess what? Three people showed up. Three. And one of them was just looking for the bathroom. But when we rescheduled for a Sunday afternoon in late September, we had 22 groups through the door and three offers by Monday. Timing isn't everything in real estate, but it's close. So here's the deal: spring and fall are your golden seasons in BC. Families want to settle before school starts or before the holidays kick in, which means they're hungry to tour homes. Aim for weekends between 11 in the morning and 2 in the afternoon. That sweet spot when people aren't rushing between soccer games or brunch. Oh, and avoid long weekends like the plague. Trust me, no one's canceling their cabin getaway to tour your open house. Now, here's a pro tip I don't share enough. Midweek open houses can be sneaky good. Retirees, remote workers, or serious buyers who hate crowds, they'll show up on a Thursday like it's Black Friday. But, and this is a big but, always check local event calendars first. Last month, I almost scheduled one during a music festival downtown. Dodged that bullet by switching to the next day. Creating vibe matters too. I once baked cookies before an open house. Cliche, I know. But paired with open curtains and a Spotify playlist of coffee shop jazz, buyers lingered 45 minutes longer than usual. Declutter, let in natural light, and hide your collection of garden gnomes. Buyers need to imagine their stuff in the space, not yours. Oh, and don't sleep on social media ads. A boosted Facebook post for a client's condo last spring brought in half the attendees. Target folks in nearby neighborhoods. They're already picturing a shorter commute. But here's what keeps me up at night. Even if you nail the timing and staging, follow up is king. One couple didn't bite during the open house, but after I sent them a personalized video walkthrough, sold. So, ever had an open house flop or triumph because of timing? Share your story. I'm all ears. And if you want to read more about this topic, see the link in the description. Like and subscribe, or the algorithm will replace me with a real estate agent who still says location, location, location unironically.